happens.
Alright, so obviously the professionals do it a little bit better. But what we're going to do is wait for a little bit and then pour it out. And a little, a little skin here will have formed against the mold. So in the meantime, I'm going to show you what's right here are the designers at the back on the computers who are going to make all of the drawings, all the designing part, and then the modelers are going to do the modeling part on the left. Out right here, and then wait a little bit and hope that it's a little bit dry. I hope that I'm not going to get lots of flowers in this scope. Okay, tricky. That's fine. And there we have our handles. It just has no other choice than to stick here, but now, I fired 2 times, but this has not been glazed. It's not shiny. It's very matte. It's because the glaze tends to erase a little bit of the details. So if you want something very detailed like this, as you can see here, it really smoothes down a little bit of the details. So this is the glazing bath. We're going to put all of our objects that have been fired one time into this bath. So the professionals take these plates like this with the tip of the fingers and then they put it in there. I am not as talented as this professional. So I'm just going to take the plate like this and you're going to see the mark of my big finger on it. So you just put it like this and then it's so porous that it's going to absorb this liquid instantly. So as you can see, my hand is very, well, wet and this is very dry. If you want to touch the plate, it absorbed instantly. And then afterwards, we're going to put this on a little mat like this. That's going to take off the glaze here. That's because when it's fired, it melts down, it vitrifies the object. So if we had some glaze